Welcome to our tutorial on turning off autocorrection and prediction of text in iOS 17. Apple is always at the forefront of technological innovation, but sometimes we want to have complete control over our device and its features. Autocorrection and text prediction can be helpful, but they can also be frustrating if they are not accurate or do not reflect your communication style first. What you need to do is open the settings on your phone. After that, scroll down to the general section, and when you see it, click on it. Then at the bottom of the screen, click on the keyboard section. You will open a menu with various options related to your iPhone keyboard. First, disable the autocorrection option. When you do that, the iPhone keyboard won't correct your text as you type. Apple claims they've improved the autocorrection option in iOS 17, but if you don't find it useful, simply turn it off. The next option we want to turn off is the predictive option. If you don't know what it looks like, I'll show you now. The predictive bar is located above your keyboard, providing you with some words it thinks you might type next. You can tap the predicted word instead of typing it. If you don't find this useful, just turn it off using the switch here. Now, let's go back to the Notes app, and you'll see that there's no more autocorrection or predictive bar. Leave a comment if you have any additional questions. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.